Guys, let me take you through how to do taper fade, proper taper fade. You see, this is how it is, and this is a process, very simple. If you follow these steps after watching this video, you will definitely know how to go by taper fade. This is strictly for beginners barbers. I always tell you guys, if you come across this page, make sure you follow, you stay connected, because I always post tips like this. You see how the process is, the number one, the number two guide, when to use the steps and those stuff. Follow me for more tips like this. Beginners barbers, you can use this for enhancement. Get yourself a new toothbrush, then you cut it, leave it small line, and use it for enhancement. You understand? Enhancement is now leading, so learn how to do it. Follow me for more. And I'm one hairstylist from West Africa, Ghana. Follow me for more tips like this. One of my fans chat me that how is he going to bring back an old customer who have not booked for a while. I always tell you guys that your tip master, I'm always on the highway, to give you tips. I have 6 years experience in the barbering industry, and I have worked for bosses, and I have become CEO of myself. So I have both experience when it comes to gathering customers. So this message is for you. This is your answer. You see, we have a lot of clients. Sometimes we don't even have all of them contact on our phone. But the few that you have on your phone, always make sure that you are checking up on them. Don't only always expect them to come and barber their hair and pay money to you so that you get money from them. Sometimes, call to check up on them. Oh, just make a call. Hi, this is your number one hairstylist. I'm just calling to find out how are you doing and those stuff. How is business? Just make fun, So once you call, don't call and ask today. It has been a while you haven't come to my shop. If you call, just call. I'm calling to check up on you. How's business? That's all. Point. So when it gets to like a week, a month, you haven't seen it, call. Oh, Charlie, it's been a while. You come here. Why? I hope everything is cool. So once you draw his attention to you, he will definitely come back to you. You get it? That is how we used to get customers who have booked you for a long time, because customers have a lot of choices. Sometimes, when they come to you, you give them a haircut. Maybe in terms of emergency, they go to different places, and the person will able, this industry is a competition. So if you leave your customer and you come to me, I don't think he's going to come back to you. You get it? Yes. So always make sure that you are checking up, you are putting out quality work. When you get opportunity to trim someone hair, it's a great opportunity to display your talent, to let the person know that you are the best in the game. You see, so this is how I used to mobilize my customers. Make sure sometimes I create a group. I have all of them contacts. Those I don't have their contacts, sometimes I try to figure out how business, how everything and those stuff. You see, so once you keep doing that, you are building a relationship. Anytime they come to you, make sure you are talking to them very polite way, very nice way, and they will keep coming to you. I have customers that are following me for 4 years, 3 years, 5 years, and they still come in. Anytime I'm not around, they will wait for me until I come back. You get it? So you need to build that kind of trusted and relationship with your client or with your customers. Very, very important. So I think you have answered your question. Yo, this is your boy Fresh Beer. You know how we do. Your number one hairstylist, tip master from West Africa, Ghana. A lot of you guys don't know this. I always tell you guys that your tip master will always bring something new, something unique you never know. Something your barber will not tell you. Your tip master will always bring it on your highway. So do well and follow me and like my videos, comment, share, so that a brother can also get it. You see this one? This is a super bad rubbing alcohol. Super rubbing alcohol. You understand? We use this after trim, after shaving, after trimming. You make sure that you use it. This is how I use my own. You see, this is how it is. You get another empty bottle that you can split it like this. Then you get a small foam like this. So after trim, a small foam like this. So after trim, a clean foam. So you just split it on the foam like this. Then you use it to rub the person wherever the clipper touches. You understand, the face and everywhere. You get it? To prevent balls, to prevent rashes and those stuff. You get it? This is your number one hairstylist. Rat-tat-tat-tat. So wait, I have something important for you. Sometimes I feel sad when a client walks to your shop. Actually, this is the creative industry. As I always tell you guys that we are in a creative industry. You can decide to give your own hairstyle. Nobody cares. You get it? Because we are in a creative industry, and professional barbers, we are ready to create for you guys. Follow me for more tips like this. always tell you guys that we have different strategy of getting your taper hairstyle down. You get it? So this is another person own. You get it? As a beginner, you need to know how to begin with your taper hairstyle. It's very important because the first step, if you mess up, you're gonna miss the whole show. So it's very important to learn from professional, to learn from expert. Me like this, I'm not perfect. I keep learning from expert. I keep learning from professionals. You understand? So how come you beginner baba? So if you come across this page, make sure you follow me. Stay connected for more tips like this. You can also follow me on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more, long videos like this. You get it? So this is how it is, as you guys can see. Very simple, very easy, but if you don't take care, it might be difficult for you to get it right. You see how it is? Yeah, this is to get your color dye done. It's not difficult. I always tell you guys that before you can apply any color of your choice, make sure you change the black, either the black or whatever color, to gold color. After changing it to gold color, then you apply any color of your choice and it will come. You get it? This is your tip master. Follow me for more tips like this. You get it? Before you can get the gray color right, always make sure that the first bleaching, the gold color, appear very nice before you apply the gray color to it. You get it? Yes, because if you mess up with the gold or the first bleach, you can never succeed in getting the gray color like this. Follow me for more tips. Yes, you can actually use razor blade for shape cutting. You get it? This one, use razor blade for shape cutting from back, forehead, vertical lines, C curve, and everything. Follow me for more tips like this. Right? Another strategy of getting your 360 wave done. You get it? Yes, this is how another strategy is done. I have done this before, but it depends on the cream that you use it on the hair. That will make it come like this. You get it? Yeah. So drop a comment if you want to know the product. This is your tip master. Follow me for more. As a man, if you have a haircut without shape, it's like it's like so everybody want to have a shape, and whether the shape is off or the shape is not there, they want you as a professional barber to create something for them. So that is why we used to apply the enhancement to make sure that at least you are looking good. You are to at least encourage you that your shape is gone, but we still can do something for you. Get it? So sometimes if I come across people that saying, oh, enhancement is a scam and those stuff, you are the customers that are pressuring us to put it in. A lot of barbers are facing this challenge. Before you even think of applying color dye on your hair, make sure you stay away from black dye for like 1 month, 2 months before you try to apply color dye to your hair. It's very important. Most of the times people apply black dye, and when you apply the good color or maybe any color, it doesn't come well and do stuff. That is the main reason why you don't get your color right. So stay away from black dye for like 1 month or maybe 2 months before you do it.
Hair tattoo by Joe.